that is now being witnessed every year. Unfortunately, as far as the thick blanket of smog that you must have woken up to if you reside in Delhi, NCR, or even in the northern regions of the country. Now what we are getting to know that advisories are being issued by the airport. The Delhi airport has now issued this advisory suggesting operations that are being conducted under Cat 3 protocols because of low visibility, and this may lead to cancellation and delays as flyers have been urged to contact the airlines before heading towards the airport. Well, this has been the advisory that has been issued as far as when it comes to New Year is now concerned. We are looking at packed airports and multiple people there are expected to fly out of the city. So let's get in a word from Shefali now. Shefali, we are expecting crowds again at the airport. However, dense fog and low visibility seems to be hampering the operations.
Yes, currently also, as you can see here, in comparison to the early morning, the situation seems a bit better, but still the situation, there is fog, the visibility is still low, and as per IMD, the visibility since past 4 hours is around 50 meters itself. IMD has earlier issued a red warning for Delhi, the national capital, and as far as if we talk about the airlines, as you mentioned, right, the airlines has issued a passenger advisory because of the prevailing fog situation, and has asked passengers to check about the airlines timings and check if there's any cancellation or delay.
The situation is not improving there, unfortunately, after every year we are witnessing when it comes to the smog conditions, and this morning as well the situation remains the same. Akansha, what is the advisory coming in?
Or cancellation, and this is what Delhi IGI Airport has mentioned in the advisory. Flight operations are currently being carried out under Cat 3 condition. Now, Abita, this is a system that allows landing or takeoff during fog-like situation due to dense fog, which may lead to delays or cancellation. Our ground teams are on the site and actively assisting passengers to ensure a smooth travel experience. For the latest flight updates, please reach out to your respective airlines. So this is what the advisory has stated, asking passengers to check with the airlines before leaving for the airport.
All right, please do stay on with us, Akansha, because not just the airport, we're looking at airlines as well that have now been issuing travel advisories there, as once again crowds are expected at multiple airports. But right now, speaking of Indigo Airlines, it has also issued an advisory because of low visibility that seems to have disrupted the flight operations, especially in Delhi and North India. The flights operations that have been now affected, and passengers have been asked to check the flight status as the situation is being closely monitored, and the travelers have also been advised to plan extra time before heading to the airport. So this has been another advisory. What we are looking at, Indigo, Akansha has also given out an advisory.
All right, let me take you through two advisories here, one by Indigo and another by Ministry of Civil Aviation. This advisory mentions that fog continues to persist across Delhi and several airports in northern India. Visibility remains reduced, and as a result, flight movements are presently slower than normal, with some delays being experienced. Will continue to manage operation under the prevailing conditions, sequencing departures and arrivals to maintain orderly operations. And this is what, in fact, just a while back, Ministry of Civil Aviation has posted on social media. Prevailing fog conditions in part of northern India may impact flight operations at select airports. Passengers are encouraged to remain updated through official airline channel and allow extra time for the airport procedure. Airlines have been instructed to strictly adhere to the passenger service norm, including timely information, assistance during delays, rebooking or refunds where applicable, and baggage also. Passenger safety and convenience remain the Ministry of Civil Aviation's top priority, is what has been mentioned in this statement that has come in from Ministry of Civil Aviation, that there could be delays or cancellation as far as the flight operations are concerned.
All right, advisories that have been issued, airlines that has been issuing advisory, Civil Aviation Ministry has issued an advisory, and so has the Delhi IGI Airport as well. Looking at the flight operations, the situation, however, seems to be similar across the country. Approximately 100 trains. Now we're looking at other mode of transportation that has also been affected because of dense fog, and 100 trains that seems to be delayed or are running late, while 2 trains have been diverted from their original routes because of poor visibility. Nyamika, while passengers here also been advised to check the train status before leaving, crowds here expected as well.
Well, yes, Amita, and firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here, as right now we are standing here nearby the India Gate Circle, and you can see in these visuals that the kind of dense fog which is being engulfed in the air of the Delhi NCR region, the visibility is quite low, and that is the only reason why the daily life of the Delhiites has also been affected due to this dense fog in the air. As we have seen that how the advisory has already been given for the flight operations. In fact, more than 100 trains are basically late, affecting the travel time of the passengers, as there are long queues which are being there in these railway stations, as the passengers are still awaiting for their trains to arrive here in the national capital. As we have seen that how in the flight operations also there is an advisory being given that these flights are getting operated as per the norms of Cat 3, because of which the flights can be cancelled or delayed, and that is the only reason why passengers are being advised to contact their airlines before traveling to the airport. So all of these instructions have already been given, as we have seen that how in the previous few days there is a dense fog which has been there in the air of the national capital, and that is the reason why today also the visibility is quite low. In fact, at the IGI airport at 4 a.m. It is being recorded that the visibility was only 50 meters range. So for that reason, now the passengers are advised to get extra time for traveling to the railway stations or the airports in fact the flights are also can be cancelled or delayed due to this low visibility in the Delhi NCR region.
All right. Well, as far as not just in flights but also in trains there, we're looking at approximately 100 trains that are said to be running late due to dense fog. But even on the roads as well, people are advised to exercise caution while driving on the roads because of poor visibility. And dense smog seems to have halted operations when it comes to flights and also of trains, and people are advised as far as on the roads as well to be extra careful. Let's in the meantime play out ground reports that are now coming in of the situation, how it looks like.
दिल्ली सहित पूरे एनसीआर में आज कोहरे और ठंड ने लोगों की समस्याएं बढ़ा दी है, क्योंकि आज विजिबिलिटी जो है वो 50 मीटर की रह गई है। वहीं यूपी के बनारस की बात कर ले, प्रयागराज, हिंडन, ये ऐसे इलाके हैं जहां पर विजिबिलिटी 0 दर्ज की जा रही है। वहीं पंजाब, हरियाणा के भी कई शहरों में आज विजिबिलिटी 0 दर्ज की जा रही है। इस वक्त हम आपको दिल्ली गाजियाबाद बॉर्डर से तस्वीरें दिखाने जा रहे हैं कि किस तरह से इस वक्त 50 मीटर की मात्र विजिबिलिटी है। लोग अपने गाड़ियों की फॉग लाइट जलाकर यहां से सफर कर रहे हैं। ठंड का कोहराम तो राजधानी दिल्ली सहित पूरे एनसीआर में देखने को मिल रहा है। इस वक्त जो तापमान है वो 7 डिग्री सेल्सियस के आसपास दर्ज किया जा रहा है। वहीं प्रदूषण भी बहुत ज्यादा जो है लोगों को परेशान कर रहा है। इस वक्त जो AQI लेवल है वो गंभीर श्रेणी में बना हुआ है। फिलहाल राहत की उम्मीद अभी देखने को नहीं मिलेगी। आने वाले नए साल पे भी तापमान में गिरावट दर्ज की जाएगी और AQI लेवल जो है वो खराब बना ही रहेगा, क्योंकि हवा की गति एक बार फिर से धीमी हो गई है। इसलिए लोगों की समस्याएं जो है वो बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है।
Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for the national capital. We are currently at Akshardham flyover, and as you can see right behind me, the situation is really tense, where the fog situation, you can see the vehicles coming, and the visibility is really low. One cannot see the visuals outside. The commuters who are commuting here have to use the fog lights in order to commute. Here as well, if you see, there is Akshardham temple, which is not at all visible because of the fog situation that is currently prevailing. IMD has also reported, IMD has told 50 meters to 100 meters dense fog is being reported in many areas, but especially at Safdarjung and Palam, 50 meters dense fog has been reported. Apart from that, the Delhi airports and the airlines have also issued passenger advisory, asking passengers to ask for airlines for the ETA of the flight, as because the fog situations are persisting, there could be some cancellation or delay in their flights. With fog situation, the AQI levels are also not helping the Delhiites. The AQI levels have crossed 400 mark, coming into severe category. With video journalist Ankit Tiwari, Shafali Nigam, Times Now.
Well, we are reporting of a tragedy that has now been reported